Hello everyone, welcome back to Shashi Share, Knowledgeable by Sharing. Today we are going to talk about something very interesting. What were the special introduced in the first version of .NET Framework? The first version of the .NET Framework released by Microsoft in 2002, and it is completely changed how Windows applications were built. Let's explore what's the most important feature in .NET Revolutionary. The first important feature is CLR, which is Common Language Runtime by .NET. CLR basically executes the engine of .NET. Whenever you write in the code C Sharp, Visual Basic .NET, anything, the .NET code directly does not run on the operating system. Instead, it goes through CLR. The CLR responsible for memory management, security, exception, thread management. This makes .NET application more stable. Another powerful tool is .NET Framework language interpretability. Okay, so this developer can write the application using different languages, just like C Sharp, VB.NET, J Sharp.NET, all the language compile into something called intermediate language, and then CLR executes its IL code. This means developer can use different languages but still run on the same platform. Next is coming for the before the .NET had developers had to many memory manage have to do like C++, lot of memory management you have to do. So for that, the .NET introduced the garbage collection. The garbage collection automatically collects or removes unused object from the memory. This helps reduce memory leaks, improve application performance, make development easier. Developer can focus now on write business logics instead of worrying about how the memory management will do. Okay. Next, we will come for the base class library. The .NET Framework also introduced the base class library in .NET Framework. This base class library, basically, it is a large collection of reusable classes that developer can use for common tests like file handling, data collection, networking, XML processing, threading, multiple things. So these are the namespaces from where it is coming. It is from the system.io, system.collection. These libraries will save a lot of time for a developer. You don't need to write the code again and again and again. One more thing .NET introduced with the 1.0, that is ASP.NET. Okay, so the .NET also introduced the powerful technology for building application. Desktop application developer could use window forms. It provides drag and drop UI design, event driven programming, easy window application development. For web application, it introduced the ASP.NET as well. So it allowed developer to build dynamic web application much faster. So from all this, some key features are .NET made in the framework 1.0, that is CLR, multiple language support, garbage collection, base class library, window forms, and ASP.NET as well. So these are the foundations are still powering modern .NET development today. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shashi Share. Thank you.